Hello and welcome to Poké I'm Viper, and this is a Shrouded Fable ETB opening. Pick this up at MSRP. Quite lucky. Get into it. The ones that that does gives me anxiety. Cut where you can't hurt anything. A little less shiny, just show you around the box now. Hard to do when you don't have too much space to work with. I love the purple on that one. Purples and blues, my favourite colours. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. Either way, whoop. Pull it a couple of pages there. Pack list. This is actually one of the smaller sets, so if you wanted to get into it, they are still pretty readily available. It should be an easy set to finish. So there's some gold cards and that in this to get your hands on. Hey there. This is one of my more favourite boxes. I like this. So in here, we should have the chance of pulling a few cards that are over 20 quid at the minute. We've got the Houndoom, Disgull, Monkey Dory, Cassiopeia, and Gold, Darkness, and Metal Energies. We've got a few cards over 30 quid shown at the minute, with the Persian, the Fazandapiti EX, I hope I said that right, and the Gold Earth and Vessel. But you're collecting them, you don't really care about the value, but I just thought I'd say what that is. So as always, the bridge out. A lot of coins, which haven't changed in any set I've opened. For the dice. The energy cards. A pack of energy cards. Our promo in here is the Peturant. Fairly shiny hollow. Our sleeves are the case. Code card for those that do that. Our dividers. And of course, the packs. Should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all the artworks into it. Same, yeah. 4 artworks. I don't know whether it's luck or judgment on their part, put them all in. Now let's get on to the pack openings. So we have a fairly shiny Metal Energy in K. Just Drowsy. Doing that. Shouldn't do that. Joltik. See? Restless Tennessee. No. Was that Xerox's Machininations or Machinizations? Machinizations, probably. Ooh, dangerous laser. Very, very colourful and shiny. Reverse Hollow Golbat. And a Blood Moon Ursaluna. One. That box. Because I need the space. Come on, focus camera. There we go. We have a Fighting Energy. Dunsclop. Duncyclops. A Horsey. Fant. Seabat. Night Stretcher. Colress's Tendency again. Yveltal. Reverse Hollow Meowth. Fezandipity EX. That's one of the ones over 30 quid. One of the chasers. Did not think I'd actually get to pull one. And a Dusk Noir Hollow. That to one side. We have a shiny green energy. Grass energy even. Duskull. Fant. Okay. Joltik. Crobat. Iron Moth Future. Janie's Secret Art. Reverse Hollow Copper Copperaja. Reverse Hollow Cedra. A Monkey Dory EX. Stop that. This one that's regular. Oh. You got Harry Potter. Come on. So we have a Psychic Energy, Rowlet, Meowth, Gunk, Golbat, Hypno, Weavile, Galvantula, Reverse Hollow Hypno, Reverse Hollow Drentrix, and a Reveroom EX. A Metal Energy, Drowsy, Horsey, Bat, Axu, I don't want to focus, I don't know. Desaku Hilai, Icky Doolai, Slitherwing, even, Ancient, Cassiopeia, Supia. Reverse Hollow Houndour. Reverse Hollow Zarorak. And a Hollow Zarorak. Okay. Yeah. Have a Fire Energy. Dartrix. And Skull. Houndoom. Stapple. Crobat. Any Secret Art. Iron Moth Future. Reverse Hollow Genserect. Reverse Hollow Toxicroak. And a Kingdra EX. Sparkly. So Darkness Energy. Dunsclops. Meowth. Dora. Houndour. Hipia. Galvantula. Academy at Night. Reverse Hollow Dunsnar. Reverse Hollow Malamar. And a Hollow Blood Moon Ursaluna. That's 2 packs left. We have a Fighting Energy. Baboon. Toxicroak. The Skull. Beware. Zakrum. Night Stretcher. The Hidui. Reverse Hollow Eevee. Reverse Hollow Horsey. And a Hollow Copperara. Copperara. Like that. Last pack. See if we get a little last pack magic, as they say. So, got a shiny Grass Energy. Houndour. Drowsy. Absol. Seadra. Ma. Weevil. Zroxas Mechanization. First Hollow Coltress Tennessee. First Hollow Paxorus. And a Hollow Tapu Bula. And that's that. The 9 packs are pretty much 2 definite hits, 2 maybe hits. But it's been fun. Thank you all very much for watching. You all take care. I'll see you in the next one.